Guiding Gamer here, and what I have for you today is a selection sort algorithm, or a selection sorter, and this is a implementation of a commonly used in programming sorting algorithm that I tried to reinvent in Minecraft. So simply put, what it does is it numerically sorts out redstone signals in, well, yeah, numerical order. So if I put in, like, say, let's say 14, let's do a 4, it's actually 5, let's properly do a 4, there we go. And then let's do a something like a 7-ish. That's way more than 7. 3 back. 8. There we go. 7. And then let's just say something in between. 11. So as you can see, we have 14, 4, 7, 11. But even though those change in the size over here, they are numerically sorted over here. And the way that it does this is by having this sort of a matrix data comparison grid, where you send everything through these lines down in an OR gate, like an OR wire, I would rather call it that, which basically just will send whatever is the highest through, and then also compare the highest with these basically comparison units that will send out the lowest of any given input from down here and from over here, basically. Okay, so now that I have explained that, I'll show you a little bit of a build I made over here, which is just going to explain rather quickly and rather simple how the selection sort algorithm works. Okay, so we have our numbers 15, 5, and 10. Then there is a OR together here, which means that we basically put all of the numbers in on the same line, and whichever one is the highest one will override. So in this case, 15 is the highest, and 15 will be outputted because it is the highest. And that's what we want. This is the highest. Well, what happens to the rest of them? Well, in the first one here, we are comparing 15 to 5, which means that we're sending the lowest one through. So this now becomes 5. What is happening over here? Well, we're comparing 15 to 10, because remember, the 5 is basically overwritten. So this entire line will be 15, as we have output that down here. So which one is short of 10? Well, obviously, which one is short of 15, sorry. Obviously 10. So, and then it basically just happens again. We have now put the number over here. The highest one will just automatically be shifted down, just like over here, because this is an OR wire. So this now becomes 10. And then the simple last one is just, which one do we send from this block to this block? Well, we're comparing the OR wire, which is 10, to a 5, and 5 is the lowest. So we have now officially just sent the 5 over here. And if I just remove like this, you can retrospectively see how everything have sort of just moved into where it should be, which is 5, 10, 15. Yep, that is exactly how a selection sort algorithm works. It's infinitely expandable. You can expand it as much as you want, although I don't know how useful that would be. In the first place, I don't think I can come up with a good use case for this, other than that it is a pretty neat thing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, and if you really loved it, then make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. It does really help out the channel. Comments, they're in the comments, Reddit, Twitter, and Facebook, and I'll see you in the next one.